Welcome to this series of videos about the usage and installation of virtual life support. In this video, we will be explaining how you can set up hand tracking on your MetaQuest 2 headset. This is a follow-up video to the virtual life support introduction video. We recommend that you follow the steps outlined in that video first before following this one. You can perform the steps in this video in any position you want. Just make sure the area around you is clear of any objects. Press and hold the power button on the side of your headset to turn it on. A white indicator light should appear. If your headset is already powered on, you can skip this step. Grab your controllers. Ensure your controllers have batteries in them. You can check this by sliding off the battery lid of the controller. You can put on your headset once your controllers are all set up. Make sure the headset is secure by adjusting the rotary knob or tightening the straps. The first thing the headset will ask you is to confirm the Guardian or play area. This is the free space you have in the real world. It's crucial to set up the Guardian accurately to ensure you don't bump into objects while immersed in virtual reality. You can set the Guardian by confirming the floor level first. Do this by pressing the top of your controller against the floor. Next, draw a virtual line on the borders of your free space. Do this by pressing any button on your right or left controller. After this, you will arrive at the menu. From here, you'll want to select the leftmost set of icons on your toolbar. These icons indicate time, battery, and Wi-Fi. In this menu, you want to navigate to the upper right corner. Select the Settings tab. In the Settings menu, select Movement Tracking. In the Movement Tracking tab, move to the right side of the menu, select the toggle next to Hand Tracking to turn it on or off. If this toggle does not work correctly, ensure your headset is connected to Wi-Fi and the internet and try again. With this, you have successfully enabled hand tracking on your MetaQuest device. Try it out. It's possible that hand tracking does not work immediately after enabling it. To ensure proper hand tracking, remove the controllers from your current play space or remove their batteries completely. Thank you for watching this video about enabling hand tracking for virtual life support. Check out one of our other instruction videos. You may also want to visit the FAQ on the Virtual Life Support website.